Lower your golf score with these amazing tips. Ready to get on the green and swing at your first golf ball? Many people just don't know what to do or where to start with this sport known as golf. Don't worry though, because this video has your back. Below are some tips and tricks that can get you started with the basics of golf. Walk and don't rent a golf cart. Golfers who walk significantly increase their physical exertion and, therefore, the health benefits they enjoy from golfing. Walking also keeps your muscles loose and warm. In order to be good at golf, one of the basic things that you need to take care of is your grip. It is good to know how the ball will act in response to your grip. The tighter you hold the golf club, the more tendency that the ball will go to the right. The looser the grip is, the more tendency that the ball will go to the left. A great golf tip pertaining to the swing is to always limit how high you raise your arms during your follow-through motion. By keeping your hands low, you can keep the ball's trajectory low as well. Though you can achieve similar effects by using a different club or by bringing the ball further back in the striking stance, this method results in greater overall predictability. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that your ball is not damaged in any way before using it. This is important not only to your playing but also so that you do not cause harm to any of the other golfers on the course. Check for cracks and hairline fractures as well as chunks that might be taken out. Wiggling your toes can determine whether your golfing stance will be effective. If it's hard to wiggle the toes at the beginning of the swing, the golfer is leaning into the ball too far. A professional golfer will learn a good angle for leaning away from the ball. This is meant to give some wiggle room in the feet and set up a proper stance. With these tips floating through your thoughts, you ought to be ready to take on the green and swing that golf ball into the hole. It does take some practice and some patience, but if you keep at it, it is indeed achievable. So, go out there, enjoy yourself, and keep swinging. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.